we're saying goodbye to our flat now. We cleaned out everything. I'm making a little video to remember as well how it looks. We're saying bye to the view. So we're leaving in 10 minutes. Here's Jelle's bag, here are mine, it's his backpack. Here is Jelle. Okay, hi. We went through the... Okay, so I got a skagen. He's got a pork belly, mashed potato.
Jättegullig.
Jättegullig. Chicken bamboo, and together with some bread. Here. And then we got a Swedish bricot. Look how cute! Swedish potato salad, so that was really cute of them, right? Oh, someone's passing. We're in Bangkok now. So they got tabbouleh, and then they have crackers, then they have that cute cake, and cheese, and sandwiches, chicken sausage, and waffle, that's bomb, and cream corn soup. Look at that! Oh, so what are we doing now?
We're gonna go to E4.
We're gonna go, yeah, and where are we going?
To another country.
Exactly, so we're in Bangkok now, and like we mentioned earlier, and now we're going to Seoul. Yeah.
Welcome to our 6th floor villa apartment. It's not a tiny home or something.
We have the hallway. This is the door. Very spacious here. Shelves. The fridge. Oh, here we have a little Jelle. And here we have a desk that we can extend. We put our suitcase here. We're gonna unpack it later. And this is the bathroom slash shower room. It's like this thingy, so you take a shower here. Yeah, wet room, that's what it's called. Since we're in Korea, they of course provide the Airbnb with a scale. We got 1, 2, 3 mirrors, 4 if we count with this one. Here we have the kitchen. Very good. Yeah, exactly, that's also really nice. In Korea we can't skip it. Here we have the lovely view. There's also stairs to here. And I can actually stand up. Yeah, Jelle can't, which I wasn't expecting. It's a very nice location, right? Like, it's a really, like, it's where we used to live, close to there.
Cheap food.
Cheap food, amazing, and it's like close to the city. So yeah, this is our little mini house tour. We came to explore our rooftop, and it is bloody amazing. It is beautiful, because we want to see the sunrise. Look, we have Sagrada Familia. Just kidding. Cream sandwich that I wanted to try a long time. In Japan, I didn't have time to do it. And they're also kind enough to inform me that it's 308 calories, which was very necessary information. Thank you for that. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Also, it's so beautiful.
I think I will like it. No.
Yeah?
No.
Huh? Out of 10.
6.
6. I would give it a 5. Hi, we're going to go and get haircuts now.
Sadly.
This is Jelle's before. Ouch. Exactly, this is how long it is. And this is mine. Like, see how my hair texture is. Nice, nice.
So much nicer.
Yeah, it is actually. This.
Close. That's depressing. Oh, because it's winter. Me.
Yeah, that's funny. It's beautiful. Oh, without sufficient preparation for the issue. Northern European countries, including Norway and Sweden, had already adopted the mark as their current around.
달라네.
Yeah.